Hi, I'm Cole Tainer. Today we're going to look at everything that comes inside the box of the new Ozonics Orion X. So obviously, first of all, you're going to have your Orion X unit. From there, you're going to find at the bottom of it an XL battery. You're also going to have your quick start guide. You're going to have your charger cup, your power supply, and your AC cord. You're going to have your easy mount. You're also going to have your smart arm mounting system and your smart arm tree screw. So there's a few things that you need to make sure you do before you take your Ozonics out in the field the first time. Most importantly, if you pull this unit out of the box and you try to turn it on, it's not going to turn on. The reason for that is that on the bottom of the battery is a sticker that's going to cover the terminals. You need to make sure you take that sticker off. This battery is going to be at about a 30% charge right out of the box. So the other big thing you need to do is make sure you charge this battery all the way up. So when it comes to that, you got to make sure you get your charger set up. So again, we're going to take our AC cord and we're going to plug it into the back of the power supply, okay? From there, you're going to turn your charger around and then we're going to plug the other end into the back of the charger. And when you're done with all that, you can plug it into the wall. Again, just take your battery and just drop right in your charger. You're going to hear a click. That XL battery, like I said, about 4 hours to fully charge. So it's going to go solid red. And then when it's done, it's going to go solid green. While you're waiting for that battery to charge, you can take your easy mount and you're going to want to connect that onto the bottom of your unit. You see you've got that 1/4-20, just use an Allen wrench to connect that on the bottom. Once that battery's charged up, the other thing I would tell you to do is take a quick second and look through the quick start guide. There's a bunch of great information about how the Ozonics works, the functionality, the different modes of operation, and it's just really going to give you a leg up to make sure that you understand what you're doing with your Ozonics when you get out in the field. So that's pretty much everything you need to know. Thanks for watching our video today. If you have any other questions, jump on our website at ozonicsHoney.com or feel free to give us a call at 979-285-2401. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again and good luck out there.